Hi there. Welcome to Remarkable Top 5. Join me as we explore the world's most fascinating and amazing top 5 lists. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started.
Hello everyone and welcome to Remarkable Top 5. Today we're counting down the top 5 credit cards for beginners. As a beginner, it can be overwhelming to navigate the world of credit cards. With so many options available, how do you know which one is right for you? That's where we come in. Today, we're going to give you the rundown on the top 5 credit cards for beginners, with all the details you need to make an informed decision. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. This card is perfect for beginners because it's simple and straightforward. With the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card, you'll earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases. But that's not all. If you spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening your account, you'll also receive a sign-up bonus of $200. The Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card also has a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, making it a great option for those looking to finance a big purchase or transfer a high-interest balance. Moving on to number 4 on our list, the Discover It Cashback. This card is a great option for beginners because of its rotating 5% cashback categories. You can earn 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in purchases each quarter, and unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. Plus, Discover matches all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year, making it a great option for those who want to maximize their rewards. The Discover It Cashback also has a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 14 months, making it a great option for those looking to finance a big purchase or transfer a high-interest balance. Coming in at number 3 on our list, the Citi Double Cash Card. With the Citi Double Cash Card, you'll earn 1% cash back when you make a purchase and another 1% cash back when you pay it off. This makes it a great option for those who pay off their balance in full each month. And, with no annual fee, it's a cost-effective way to earn cash back on your purchases. The Citi Double Cash Card also offers a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for the first 18 months, making it a great option for those looking to transfer a high-interest balance. At number 2 on our list, the Chase Freedom Unlimited. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you'll earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases. Plus, if you spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening your account, you'll also receive a sign-up bonus of $200. The Chase Freedom Unlimited also offers a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, making it a great option for those looking to finance a big purchase or transfer a high-interest balance. And finally, at number 1 on our list, the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. This card is perfect for beginners because it offers generous cashback rewards, especially for those who spend a lot on groceries and gas. With the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express, you'll earn 6% cashback on groceries up to $6,000 per year and 6% cashback on select U.S. streaming services. Plus, you'll earn 3% cashback at U.S. gas stations and on transit, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. And, if you spend $1,000 within the first 6 months of opening your account, you'll receive a sign-up bonus of $200. However, it's important to note that this card does come with an annual fee of $95, so be sure to consider whether the rewards make up for the fee before applying. And there you have it, the top 5 credit cards for beginners. We hope this information was helpful in guiding you towards finding the right credit card for your needs. Remember, it's always important to do your own research and consult a financial professional before making any financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.